guys, welcome to the channel. Today I came to take a look at the channel and I noticed that I haven't posted any video for about a month now, and that's because I have been pretty busy with my regular job and coding for the most part. So on this video I'm going to give you an update for all the things that I've posted so far that are important here. Pretty much the graph, we're gonna take a look how the stake is doing. Odyssey, there's some updates on Odyssey, and we're gonna talk about Decentraland and Somnium Space as well. So just so give you an updates on those projects. So first of all, let's talk about the graph. So the graph, I've been still staking those 100 GRTs there. So if you're new here, basically I put 100 GRTs to stake December 31st, 2020, and I've been staking since then. So far, my unrealized gains are 3.59 GRTs, right? So this Rabina ETH, I think it's over capacity right now, so probably not the best indexer to be staking right now. And also, as you can see, like 100 GRTs, I mean, it's a very small amount to be staking on GRTs, right? If it was at least 1,000 GRTs, I think would be better money invested, because we need to count on the Ethereum transaction fees that are pretty high, right? So, okay, next we have Odyssey. So library credits or Odyssey, price has been pretty good, right? So since I posted this, let's see, 2 months ago, let's see, 90 days. So it's been doing pretty good, right? So in terms of price, but you see this lately volatility. So they have been having problem with the SEC. There's a problem with this project. I think you guys need to be aware of this. I'm not gonna go through this issue here. They're, fighting with the SEC, and that's not good. You know what happened to Ripple, you know what happened to EOS, you know what happened to other coins that had this problem before. So they might make a deal, they might not. The price really didn't crash or anything like that, but it's pretty volatile right now. I think this is not good, right? So for the project, I usually, once something like that happens, I step away. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with my investments on library credits until that gets cleared out. I've had, good returns. I've been buying this for a while, and making it because I posted on library credits. I'm gonna hold some because it's good for my channel on library credits, but I probably will drop some because this issue, until they don't get cleared, I will step away for a while. So let's see. Ethereum, MetaMask, there's nothing to talk about. Decentraland. So Decentraland, well, I love this project. Decentraland is one of my favorite projects. If you haven't watched this video, it's a virtual world and on blockchain, using blockchain technology, Ethereum for the most part. So what I have done since this video, I bought a land in Decentraland. I'm not gonna show it right now because I need to be on my Windows side. I'm on my Mac right now, and this is not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be slow if I go there to show recording. So I bought a land. I'm building something there, and I'm gonna show to you guys soon here. I'm creating something there, and it'll be pretty neat. So, and Decentraland, I mean, let's look at the price really quick. Decentraland, I mean, it's been amazing, right? So the price, great, since 1 year. Let's take a look, 1 year chart. Right? So 1 year ago, But since I started talking on it, let's say one month ago, of course it's not much. I mean, it's a lot, right? 281%. There was a big pump. Very good. I think this project here is just the beginning. Actually, there's so much more to grow here. And Somnium Space. I saw the questions today. I'm gonna respond right now on this video actually, because I don't have much time to respond on here writing. So which one do you think is most potential, Somnium or Decentraland? So, well, Decentraland is an older project, right? More popular. So in terms of no-brainer is Decentraland for sure. But Somnium, I don't know if you watched the video, but there was no volume. There's nobody knows about it. So potential for gainings in the short term, I think Somnium still, right? But it's much more risky, right? If you want to risk, all right. But you know, when I got on that video, I don't know, it was 60 cents or something like that I paid. I don't remember. But I know I'm good right now on that, right? So Somnium Space is cubes. I got, you know, when I announced this was February 25. So February 25, let's see here, was over here. It was 61 cents. So now we are $2. We are at $2.84, right? So I mentioned I don't like when people actually post 100x crypto, 1000x crypto investment opportunity or whatever. But when I saw this one and I looked at the project, I was like, this one is actually a good one. Because, you know, I'm just gonna say, you know, Cardano, for example, doesn't even have smart contracts on it. It's a promise that we'll have smart contracts. And I believe it will have smart contracts on it. But it doesn't have anything, right? So it doesn't have DeFi, it doesn't have anything. Like, just now you have some tokens there. You can create tokens there. And it got up to like this position here, you know, I think went up to the fourth position on market cap. It gained a lot of value just from the hype pretty much. And so Somnium Space, there's no hype, you know, it's just like, it's a project that's a real project. It's already delivered, right? You can do VR, you can use like virtual reality, you know, those goggles, whatever that is, the glasses. You can buy land, you can build stuff like Decentraland, and they are improving every day. I see it, you know, this is happening, right? So, and the market cap of Somnium Space is like much smaller, and the position is like, you know, it's some micro cap or like type of a coin. And the project, for me, when I looked at it, I was like, I mean, I see a lot of potential, right? If people are not looking at it, I just put the 1,000 like you know, cubes, if you watch my videos, and I pay 60 cents. So I put $600 on it, and I've got already $2,840 right now. Like, probably already did 3x on it, right? So actually no, 4x, right? So 6 times 4, 24, yeah, 4x, a little bit more than 4x. To get to 10x, I don't think we're very far from that, to be honest with you. So potentially 100x here for sure. That's why I posted that. This is not a financial advice, but this is what I think will happen. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just, you know, a guy on YouTube. I'm a programmer for the most part. That's what I do for a living. And I plan to come with a few things for the DeFi space, for NFT space here. Something I'm working on, a side project. But yeah, so when I see cool things I'm gonna share here. So if you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I hope I can keep making videos for you and give you an updates and bringing stuff like this for you, so you can be aware of like real good projects that you actually should invest on, maybe, or I can say that, I guess, a project that you should keep your eye on. And it's better to say that, right? So in my opinion, you should, but I cannot say that on YouTube. So yeah. Anyways, so this is all I have today. I hope you'll enjoy the content, and I will see you later.